We all know about Nike, the company. Great stock, great products, but what's happening to their price at the moment? Now, they've got an earnings call after the bell closes tonight. Stock's up currently, but I'm going to have a look at the technical analysis to try and unravel the longer term picture in today's chart of the day video. Hello, I'm Stephen Ho, trader and founder of the Stop Hunter. So before we can carry on, a risk warning for you to pay close attention to. The content in this video is not investment advice, so please seek the advice, help of financial professionals or financial advisors before investing and trading. And trading and investing involves a high degree of risk and your money is at risk, so be very careful. So with that out the way, let's get on with the analysis. So the weekly line chart for Nike, very positive from really the early part of 2020. It had a flat period at the beginning of this year, then it spiked summertime up to highs of around about $175. Pulled back since. In terms of Fibonacci lines, do have that 78.6, but that's a lesser Fibonacci line at $150, and it's a round number, so that might prove some support area. But below that, it's at 61.8%, where we had that consolidation phase for the early part of the year, around $130, $132, and that's where that bull run from the March time of 2020 sort of ended. But other than that, below that, $110, $107, 38.2% line further down and upwards. It's got to really get through those highs first, and it's heading in the right direction. But like I say, earnings call tonight could add some volatility, so watch out closely. So what's the daily high can actually showing us? Well, signals down the bottom right are just starting to warm up. They were bearish. We've seen that reasonable downtrend over September. Things, like I say, starting to warm up, so neutral at the moment, but starting to look bullish. Volatility above that just starting to pick up, but still hovering around its longer term moving average, so nothing special there. And volume at the moment trading around its longer term moving average, so again no spike there, but maybe tomorrow when markets open again and back off the earnings announcement tonight, might see a spike either way in direction. But jumping onto the price, it's below our box setup, so bearish there, but trading within the 2 standard deviation regression range for a lot of the period, using the highs and lows that to bounce from. At the moment in middle sort of no man's land, but like I say, price starting to turn and look and feel a bit more positive. So the Renko chart, I've got $1.25 block size, signals down the bottom where they're bearish at the moment, but they're stabilizing, so shorter term outlook picture still negative. We go on to the price, it's trading above that moving average, and I've put on the Fibonacci in the shorter term, that recent bull run that we saw from June to September before the pull off, to give us our Fibonacci levels, hovering around, like I say, 150 mids at the moment. To the downside, we're talking 146, so that 61.8% line, then 139, 140 as potential downsides, and then it's to the bottom of that historic range, about $128, $130. To the upside, well, we've got first of all $165 to break, and then it's those highs around 175, and if it can nudge through those highs and hold it, then 185, 190 is not out the question. But overall, it's a neutrally weak bullish picture there at the moment. So the analysis in these videos is all about what the raw data is telling us, not speculating on or making assumptions where we think the price might go. We're just taking an opinion of what's here right in front of us now, and actually it looks pretty neutral. Things are warming up, feeling a bit more bullish, and the trend has been up, but overall I'm going to keep it neutral just for the moment. And if we dive into the targets, reasonable upside 2.3 and 4.5 to 1, downside not so attractive 1.28 and 2.14 to 1. But for the moment I'm going neutral, and I'll time my way in 20 positions using a technical analysis in either direction that it takes. So Nike stock warming up at the moment, feel a bit more bullish, but currently the technical's still saying it's neutral and at best probably weak bullish, but we're going to stick with that neutral opinion until things change, and one of those things could be the earnings call after the bell tonight, so watch out for that closely. That might give it the impetus to move onwards and upwards. We will see. What do you think is going to happen to the Nike stock? Where do you think the price is going? Do you agree, disagree with the analysis? Let me know in those comments below. And if you've liked the technical analysis that I've used in this video, I'll put a link in the description below that you can follow to learn more. If you liked today's video, please give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell buttons to receive future notification of content I'm going to produce just like this. And all that's left for me to say is good luck with the trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.